Well, hello. I'm Sean Garmer, editor-in-chief at W2Mnet.com. And after hearing from so much of the staff that Nier Automata is one of the great games of 2017, and ranking it pretty high on our best games of 2017 list as well, I got urged to play this game, and I am doing so after picking it up on a $30 sale on GameStop. So thanks to them for putting things on sale quite often once the holidays were going on. And I don't do a lot of streaming. I'm trying to start doing that. So I don't know if I'm going to be doing this every time I play this game. If I do, it will be in short bursts. I don't play like 5 hours on end at once. It's because I have so much stuff to do, and I have a daughter who's currently watching TV downstairs, and she needs attention, and I feel really bad if I'm sitting here for 5 hours doing this and, not doing what I need to do. But yeah, so I'll try to keep up with it. I don't know that it's going to be a sequential Let's Play or whatever, but I'll see how often I check in to stream this game. This is sort of my entry into streaming as well, so I apologize if I'm not the most entertaining person all the time, but I'm trying to experience this game just like many people did, and getting to see it for the first time here. Alright, so it does not support autosave. Thank you for letting me know that here. So, pretty sure it probably means I'm going to have to save quite a bit. Oh well. It's asking me my name. I guess I'll just put in Sean. Yep, spelled the Irish way after Sean Connery. Even though Sean Connery's Scottish. Sorry. I'll just do normal. And settings, game, difficulty. Let's go with the balanced. I've been listening to the soundtrack as well as while I get work done, so I'm kind of excited to hear that while I'm actually playing the game now. Alright, so here we go.
Everything that lives is designed to end. We are perpetually trapped in a never-ending spiral of life and death. Is this a curse? Or some kind of punishment? I often think about the god who blessed us with this cryptic puzzle, and wonder if we'll ever have the chance to kill him.
Pretty cool, jet.
This is Command. Yorha Squadron, come in.
2B here. All units have penetrated the stratosphere. Autopilot systems green across the board.
This is Operator 6-0. All units confirmed.
We've passed the 50-kilometer threshold and are proceeding toward the target.
Understood. Once you reach their anti-air defenses, proceed to manual attack formation. Then destroy the Goliath-class unit by any means necessary, and gather what data you can.
Understood.
Oh, damn.
12H down. All units activate manual mode and rely on visuals to evade.
Already engaged. Free movement unlocked.
Origin point of long-range lasers
take long in
confirmed.
this game. Uh-oh.
11B, down. Our HO229 cancelers are ineffective.
Alert. Enemy unit sighted ahead.
Requesting permission to engage.
Permission granted.
Seven E down.
Oh yeah. Feel like I'm playing Gradius or Aerofighter or something. Airfighters is an old game series from the SNES. If you don't know what that is.
1D down. Assuming captain's duties.
Damn, everybody's just gonna die here before I even get to where I'm supposed to go.
Multiple surrounding enemy air units confirmed. Requesting permission to assume mobile configuration.
Permission granted.
Pretty awesome.
Captain, I think...
Oh.
4B down.
Oh.
2B to Operator 6-0. All allied units down. The operation is compromised. Awaiting further orders.
Operator to 2B. We need you to rendezvous with Unit 9S and begin gathering data on the local terrain.
Understood.
All by myself. Oh yeah, here we go. What the? Oh, okay. Woo! It's like Star Fox all over again. Do the Galaga thing and just stay in one line. Usually works. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Level up this ship too. That's pretty cool. Had to take damage. We got stuck. I love like the freedom of movement in this ship. Usually you don't get that in a lot of these kind of games. So. Whoa! Watch out for the laser. Ah! Missed the freaking heavy attack thing. Yeah.
Alert. Heavy damage. Standard top label test estimated. Initiate short range control. Activating short-range attack gear. Alert. Large enemy group detected.
Yes, I'm aware of that.
Short range, both figuratively and literally. Oh, dang. Okay, I see she's obtaining G. I like the subtle way that it shows you. Ow! Whoa. Okay. Okay.
Enemies destroyed.
Not quite.
Oh, that's something.
Is that our target?
Negative. This enemy is unrelated. Proposal. Dispatch it as swiftly as possible.
You don't say.
Okay. Can I actually ever hit it? That would be a good idea. Whoa. That may have been an awful idea. Oh. Sure, it made sense to not attack the thing while it was moving. That probably would have been good.
Laser communications recovered.
2B, I'm transmitting your pod program.
Pod program download complete.
Whoa. Okay, not what I meant. Wow. Almost hit me. Sweet. I wish you evaded. Slowly but surely knocking that thing down. Ah, well, that's dumb on my part. Should have seen that coming. Okay. Where are you going to attack next? Ow. Dang. Yeah, I got it.
Better make sure he's actually dead next time. That was dangerous, man. You're 2B, right? My name's 9S. I'm here to provide support.
Copy that.
So, was that big old buzzsaw the Goliath you came here to take out?
No, just another defensive system.
Oh, well, I guess we have to find the target then, huh? I've got a flight unit, so I'll take a look around the perimeter.
All right, I'll work my way inside from the ground.
Oh, cool. Make this bridge appear. That's always nice. Ooh. On you go. Oh. Stop evading, asshole. Ow. Alright. I mean, it's a linear game, but it feels like they want you to explore in here too, which is kind of also pretty cool. Alright, seems like we're going up to Slatter.
2B? Ma'am?
What is it?
I was going to send you the map data I collected earlier.
Do it.
Ma'am. Rather southern, Mr. 2B. Up the spiral staircase. Oh, well, what do you know? Mashing square, mashing square. Firing us. Awesome. And got some gear. Okay, imagine. Jump. Is there anything else over here? Yo! Oh, I just noticed that. Okay, cool. I can grab onto this. What's over here? Natural rubber. Oh, wow. Just completely missed that on my own there. Oh! Talk about walking into a punch, let me tell you. Oh, and he jumps by himself. Okay. Interesting. Oh, you can actually aim this down. Can I get you while y'all are down there? Yeah, take it. Okay. Can I get you too, or are you gonna... Oh, come on now. He's basically dead. You gotta be kidding me. Bam. Okay. Did not get to kill the other guy, but alright, it's fine.
Exit confirmed closed.
So open it.
Negative. Nearby enemies are jamming our signal.
Nothing's ever easy.
Ah! Well, that was, it's gonna be a little disorienting. I like that you can actually pick up items while you're battling. Not too many games do that. Usually make you wait till the end. Okay. Wow, okay, more? Jeez. Ah. Oh, and these things hit you while you're battling more of these things. Okay, swear that I... Entrance open. Which way, though? Guess that's it.
You know, ma'am, I'm glad you're here.
Why?
Scanners like me mostly work alone. Scouting out enemy lines and all that. I don't usually get a partner. It's kind of fun.
Emotions are prohibited.
Sorry, ma'am.
And another thing, stop calling me ma'am.
Huh?
It's unnecessary.
All right, then.
Stop calling
2B
me
it
man.
is.
My daughter. Stop calling me lady. Alright. Oh, damn. Well, I wasted that. Just realized that I even had that ability. Okay. Die, dude. Okay. This is
Analysis. This elevator's controls are locked and cannot be used.
okay. So that means go over
This
here.
place sure is big.
I guess humans used to use it as a weapons factory, but now it's just crawling with machines. The enemy seems to have repurposed the facility to increase their overall machine production.
So if we don't destroy it, they'll just keep coming.
Oh. That kind of came out of nowhere. Let's look at the chest. Oh, got a bunch of gold. Oh, lava. Oh. Ow, wow. Just ran right into that for no reason whatsoever. What a waste of a recovery thing. Easier going around and just firing at them. It's fine. Okay, got a key. I'm gonna assume that that goes to the elevator that I couldn't get earlier. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it's just the name of a something you pick up.
Block 43 to Block 12, materials en route. Work party 2, proceed to cafeteria 20.
I love the different viewpoints you get too. It's not all looking at the same
from the old world. There's no actual
viewpoint
meaning behind
the whole
anything
time.
machine
You get like a bird's eye view here, just randomly aiming.
Thank you for another day of hard work. Please
You know, it makes that kind of thing hard to see there. I didn't even know he was there. Something was shooting at me. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to deal with right now. Can't even kill the ones that... Let's narrow the field down some. Oh. Yeah. Bam. Ah! Wow. Get the same thing again. Oh, whoa, wait. Yeah, let's just kill you all because why the hell not? Oh, this exploded on me? Is that what happened? Okay. Now what? Come down here. Oh, did I just jump? Oh, okay, I see. Makes sense. More enemies. Y'all go away. Thank you. Go away. Go away. Sorry if it seems cooler to use the blades and stuff, but finding it much easier just to blast these things. Fine. Okay. Another copper ore. Ooh, okay. Could have used that ladder, did not. Another copper ore, that is open. That is not. So, guessing that means here. Oh, big enclosed room. What do you think's gonna happen in here? Oh!
Bulletproof apparatus detected on enemies. Close
Oh,
range
bulletproof
combat is
apparatus. Okay.
I know.
Oh, I guess I gotta fight with these. Sweet. Take it. Oh! Wow, even bigger bulletproof apparatuses. Ooh. Ah, it's cool when she actually evades. First time anyone to... Ah! And down you go. Of course. Oh. What's shooting at me? Oh, well, of course. Like a tank thing was shooting. Whatever these are at me. No idea if I'm hitting them or not, but why not? Okay. Of course, come from the other side too. I can just go in a straight line. Bam, 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 bam. Probably it's more efficient to just kill them. Almost. Oh, more? Gee, oh no, they're both coming from both sides. Great. 'Cause that's exactly what we need to do. Ah! And you're gone. Oh, the outside again. What do you know? Okay, can I save? Oh, okay. Here's the system menu. Apparently I cannot save. Yeah, I cannot save right now. Okay, that's not good because I wanted to. But that's cool. Whatever floats your boat there, game. Okay, so...
I surveyed the entire factory, but couldn't find anything resembling our target.
Maybe they, I don't know, moved it somewhere?
Outside again, on another freaking spiral staircase thing. Nothing there.
Is that?
You mean the birds? Yeah, there's more plants and animals here than there used to be. Probably because the environment's changed.
Good, recovery unit found. Big open area usually means not great things come of it, but okay, do you want me to drop down? I don't think so. That seems like a never-ending. Down. Good, small recovery unit. Need a bunch of those. I gotta keep finding all these chests around here. That's pretty nice. It's too quiet. Way too quiet.
There should be another facility across that bridge. It's a bit of a hike, but should we check it out? It's not like Command to get a location wrong. I guess even they get bad intel from time to time, huh?
I wouldn't bet on that.
And of course, this is the big first true boss battle. Oh, more of these guys. Just...
Alert. High-power jamming detected. No response from long-range communications.
Doesn't matter. I'll just take him out.
Oh. Yeah, hello. Wow, what am I doing here? No idea. Okay, so once I can figure out what the heck's going on. Oh, they come sideways too. That's just peachy. Oh. What in the heck? Okay. Hello? Whoa. What? running right into them is not a good idea either. And there we go. I'm dead. I think I just got the credits for the... Alright, so there's me, first time playing Nier and dying at the second boss. That's always great. Thank you for joining me, and I will, next time I get to have time to play this, I will be on here streaming it. Until